In the name of Allah, welcome back my dear students, and we will start the second lesson is equation of the straight line. Equation of the straight line, okay? The general form of the equation of the straight line ax plus by equal plus c equals 0, okay? And we have different forms. The first form is vector equation. R equal a plus k u, where a is the point passing that the straight line passes through it, and u is the direction vector. Okay, this is called vector equation. And the second form, x equal x1 plus ka and y equal y1 plus kb, is called the parametric equations. And the Cartesian form, or the Cartesian equation of the straight line, y minus y1 over x minus x1 equal m, where m is the slope of the straight line. Okay, let's start the first equation. Find the different forms of the equation of the straight line which pass through the point -2 and 1 and its slope equal -4 over 5. Okay, let's write the different forms. The different form we will complete after the prayer. Thank you. Welcome back. Example number 1. Find the different form of the equation of the straight line which passes through the point -2, 1 and its slope equal -4 over 5. Okay, we have the first form is the vector form, r equal a plus ku. Okay, this is a. Okay, and from the slope we can get u. Okay, how come? A equal the same number, -2 and 1. U equaled a and b. Okay, a represent x. Where is x in the slope? Yes, it's the denominator. And b equals y, here is the numerator. Then r equal -2 and 1 plus k 5 and -4. This is called the vector equation. Okay, and also we can write r as x and y equals -2, 1 plus k times 5 and -4. I said times, yes. Then x equals, yes, the first -2 plus 5k, and y equals 1 minus 4k. This is called the parametric equations. Okay, and the last form is the Cartesian form, y minus y1 over x minus x1 equal m, where m is the slope, as I said before. Then substitute about x1 and y1 from this point, y minus, yes, 1, x minus -2 equals m is the slope, -4 over 5. And simplify this equation, y minus 1 over x plus 2 equals -4 over 5. By cross multiplication we can multiply -4 times x plus 2 equals 5 times y minus 1, and -4 times x, -4x, -4 times 2, -8 equals 5 times y, 5y, 5 times -1, -5. And we can't put this term in the other side, -4x minus 8 minus 5y plus 5, yes, with different signs, equals 0. Then -4x minus 5y minus 3 equals 0, and this is called the Cartesian form, the Cartesian equation. The second question, find the vector form. Find the vector form of the Cartesian form of the straight line which passes through the origin point, okay, and the point B equal -3 and 5. Let's write first the vector form. The vector form are equals A plus KU, and the Cartesian form y minus y1 over x minus x1 equals m. Okay. The first pass through origin point. Okay, 0 and 0. This is A. And U is the point -3 and 5. Then R equals 0 and 0. Okay, U is the point. And we can write U equal as B, because the other point is the origin point, -3 and 5. Okay, put it here. This is the vector form. Okay, the other form is the Cartesian form. Let's get the slope. Okay, we can write the slope from this point. How can we write the slope? Yeah, m equals y over x. Y over x. Where is y here? Yes, 5. Where is x? -3. Yes, this is the slope of the straight line. And x1, y1 equals what? Equal the origin point. Because I said before that x1, y1 is the point that the straight line passes through it. Okay, then it passes through the origin point. That means x1, y1 equals 0 and 0. Put it here, y minus 0 over x minus 0 equals the slope 5 over -3. Then y over x equals 5 over -3, cross multiplication, 5 times x equals -3 times y, then 5x plus 3y equals 0. Okay, this is the Cartesian form. Example number 3, AB is a diameter of a circle M. M is the center. If B equal -7, 11, M equal -2, 3, find the equation of the tangent. Find the equation of the tangent to the circle at the point A. Let's imagine the figure. Okay, circle, its center M, its diameter AB. Okay, the coordinate of B -7, 11, the coordinates of M -2 and 3. And the required is the equation of the tangent to the circle at the point B. The tangent, yes, I hear you. The tangent here is perpendicular to the diameter, okay, and passes through the point A. The point A, we can't find it now. Let's start to get first the point A, okay? How can we get the point A? Yes, we studied before that the point of the center of the circle in the middle way between A and B. Then our rule is the point M, okay, equals +/2 +/2 plus what? Let's write M equal -2, 3 equals the sum of x of the A and B, x plus -7, we can write it x minus 7, and also y plus 11, because here 7 is negative, put it negative, 11 is positive, put it positive, over 2. The first equal the first, and the second equal the second. Okay, x minus 7 over 2 equals negative 2, and y plus 11 over 2 equals 3. Then x minus 7 equals 2 times negative 2 equal negative 4. Then x equal negative 4 plus 7. Then x equals 3. Okay. And here y plus 11 equals 2 times 3 equals 6. Y equals 6 minus 11. That means y equals negative 5. This is the coordinate of the point A. The point A becomes 3 and negative 5. Okay, this straight line passes through A and perpendicular to AB. Perpendicular to AB. Okay, let's get the first, the slope of AB. Slope of a straight line AB. Okay, slope of the straight line passes through 2 points. Okay, the difference between y. Okay, and the difference between x, that's the difference, y minus y. This is B, this is A. Okay. Let's start from here, y minus y, 11 minus negative 5, and negative 7 over negative 7 minus 3. Let's compute, 11 minus minus plus, 16, negative 7 minus 3, negative 10. Okay, and simplify by dividing both of them, dividing by 2, it will be 8 over negative 5. This is the slope of AB, but the slope of our straight line, okay, we can find it because they are perpendicular. Then the slope of the required straight line is what? How can we find? Yes, switch and change one sign. Switch 5 over 8 and change negative into positive. Okay, this is the slope of the required straight line. This is M. Okay, and hence we can find the equation of the straight line, because the straight line y, its equation y minus y1 over x minus x1 equals M, where x1, y1 is the point that the straight line passes through it. It's A, yes? Y minus over x minus. x1, y1, x1, y1 in A. Here. Let's start with y, negative 5, and 3, equals M, the slope 5 over 8, okay? Y minus minus plus x minus 3 equals 5 over 8. Cross multiplication, 5 times x minus 3 equals 8 times y plus 5. 5 times x minus 5 times 3, 15 equals 8y plus 40. And here 5x, let's turn these two terms in the other side, 5x minus 8y minus 15 minus 40 also equals 0. Okay? 5x minus 8y minus 55 equals 0. This is the equation of our straight line. And hence we have finished our lesson today. Thank you for listening and wish you a good day.